In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable 2FA on Binance. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of protection to your account by requiring a one-time code in addition to your password. This simple setup can dramatically reduce the risk of unauthorized access, so it's absolutely worth the few minutes it takes. Before we begin, make sure you have a working Binance account, a smartphone, and an Authenticator app installed. Google Authenticator is a popular free choice, but any compatible Authenticator app will work. Have it ready on your phone so you can scan a code when prompted. Start by opening a trusted browser and going directly to Binance.com. Avoid clicking links from messages or ads. Typing the address yourself helps you steer clear of phishing sites. Log in to your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the top right corner for your profile icon and click it. From the menu, open the security section. This is where Binance groups all your protection features, including passwords, devices, and verification methods. Find the option to enable two-factor authentication and click Enable 2FA. Binance will offer you a choice between using an Authenticator app or SMS. While SMS can be convenient, the Authenticator app method is generally more secure and reliable, especially if you travel or have spotty cellular service. For this walkthrough, choose the Authenticator app option. Binance will display a QR code on the screen. Open your Authenticator app on your phone, select the option to add a new account, and scan the QR code. If your app asks for a setup key instead, you can enter it manually. Right next to the QR code, you'll see a backup key. This is extremely important. Save that backup key in a secure place, like a reputable password manager or an encrypted note. Do not share it with anyone, and avoid storing it in plain text. If you ever lose your phone, this key will help you restore your codes. After scanning, your Authenticator app will begin generating a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Return to Binance and enter the current 6-digit code to verify the connection. If the code doesn't work, make sure your phone's time is set to update automatically, as time drift can cause code mismatches. Once you confirm, 2FA will be active on your account. From now on, when you log in or perform sensitive actions, you'll be asked for a fresh code from your Authenticator app. Keep your backup key safe, never share verification codes, and consider locking your Authenticator app with a screen lock for extra peace of mind. Congratulations! Your Binance account is now protected with two-factor authentication.